parenting has become much more of a challenge than it needs to be in today's world, because how we evolved as human beings was not as isolated families, let alone as single parents. We grew up in, evolved and lived for millions and hundreds of thousands of years in small communities, hunter gatherers, where parents were supported by other parents, and all children were the parents of the whole community.
Yeah.
So that parenting has become way too difficult
Yeah.
in today's isolated and fragmented world. So not only do you have a stressed society where people are isolated in their parenting, they're actually given advice that goes against their parental instincts. So
Yeah.
we tend to no longer parent from instinct, but
Yeah.
from our heads and our ideas of what kids should be like or how they should behave. And as a result, we trample on kids' developmental needs with tremendously negative consequences.